Hey guys, what is going on? In this video, I'm going to dive deep into 3 video ad creatives from 3 different D2C brands and see exactly what makes up their creative. How do they structure their video? Are they using UGC? Is it more super native and just on the platform? How does that exactly look and why does it convert so well for them? I feel like a lot of dropshippers, they do look at video ads, but they only use it for product inspiration and not marketing inspiration. And you have to remember that as an e-commerce business owner, if you run your own ads, you pretty much are a direct response marketer, if you will. That's what I consider myself as, a direct response marketer. And so it's important to look at other brands' ads, not for inspiration for product ideas, although that is smart, but to also just understand how they're structuring their ad videos and their creatives so that you can do the same to your brand, because every ad is the same in their own way. I might have some timestamps on this video as well to just show which brand I go through if you already know one of the brands maybe. And here we go. Alright guys, welcome to the video. The first brand that we're going to start with is a brand called Glamnetic, and I actually found out who the owners of this company actually are through an application called Clubhouse. So I actually met the owner in there and was talking to them, and I absolutely love how they have their ads structured. I'm not going to go through their website or anything like that. We're going to go straight to the ads. This is the Facebook ad library, and we're going to start off with their ads right about now. So as you start right here, there's this first creative, and I'm not going to break down too much what makes a winning thumbnail or ad copy too much. You can kind of see it right here, like their copy, and you can read this on yourself and see, what makes good. But I want to just focus right on this video creative. So we're going to jump right into here, and let's just watch this video first before we dig deep into what it actually entails and does for the viewer, of course.
Look at that. Oh my god, that took literally 10 seconds. What? And I feel like they're gonna stay. That was literally so easy. This is a game changer. Mascara, goodbye. Trash.
Wow, so that's really amazing. So if we dig deep into this and kind of just rewatch it now and go through exactly what it kind of did, it first starts off with that hook right there, as you saw, the world's first 6-magnet magnetic lash. So as everyone knows, the people that are watching this video, they do know that magnetic lashes do exist. They definitely know they exist, right? Everyone knows about those by now, but they're on AliExpress. But do those AliExpress lashes have 6 magnets? Probably not, right? Or else that wouldn't make this brand too attractive. So this brand has 6 magnets in their lash, which means that it's never gonna fall out of that girl's eyelash. It's never gonna fall off and be annoying to fix with. You put it in once and you're done. So that's how they hook their audience. And this is great. There's no problems here. This is the world's first. Like if you're reading that, for example, say you like fishing, and you see world's first fishing rod that does XYZ, like you're gonna want to stick around just to at least learn. That right now there's no intention and there's no call to action. There's no reason to click or shop or anything. They're just saying that they have the world's first magnetic lash. Next, we go to the second part of this video now. It's right away into steps of how to do it. So number 1, line. Number 2, lash. And number 3, enjoy. And then I'm not going to play the sound again, but this is just like Andrea Rossette's testimonial on her use with this product. UGC by far is so powerful, especially in 2021. It's so powerful. People understand what ads are now. They know how it works. They know the whole dropship scheme. So when you see a real face talking about a product, people are going to be more entitled to watch that and kind of relate to it. People like 2 things in this world. Number 1, seeing the word free. Number 2, seeing people's faces. And I guess number 3, seeing numbers. It's like number 1, best selling, this and that. So step 3, enjoy, and there's the UGC there of her selling her point of view in this product. It looks like you filmed off an iPhone, right? Then at this point, the viewers watching the video, they're saying, okay, now what's in this for me? Why do I want this? And do I have to buy it a lot? Like, what's in that for me? And they're saying, nope, it's reusable for up to 40 times. That's over a month. Easy application. And then again, here's that strong selling point there. Let me just rewind this a little bit. No messy glue need. This is huge. I feel like a huge pain point. Now, I have done too much research in this audience market, but I'm sure a huge pain point in this market is that the glue you need to put this on your eyelashes. It's probably a mess, it gets all messy. Personally, I'm a guy, but I'm not very good with arts and crafts. I get all my hands sticky and stuff. We don't like that stuff, right? We want it to be simple, quick, easy, and amazing as possible. As good as possible, obviously. So there's that huge, strong selling point there halfway through the video. All day hold, yep, makes sense. It better be all day hold. Another testimonial there. Then they got 40 plus styles to choose from and a bunch of UGC there, just like, you know, like people recording Glamnetic in store. That's probably somewhere nice. And then another UGC testimonial again saying it's game changing, this and that, showing the packaging. She's in her room just doing it. And then look at that beautiful call to action at the end. Glamnetic, shop now. Most people just kind of hit their viewers with like a 50% off, flash sale, shop now, or whatnot. They're just saying Glamnetic, shop now. This is just like yelling prospecting to me, just like straight cold targeting. And we'll look at the copy just because I love this stuff so much. Never show up late because of makeup ever again. Glamnetic's magnetic lashes are created to save you time and money. See how the $3 signs there? Cool. So what are you waiting for? Shop Glamnetic's innovative 6-man lashes today. Boom, 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 boom. Nice. Social proof here as well, as seen in Forbes magazine, 40 plus uses, save time and money. That's amazing. You know, we're not gonna go through the website, but that's amazing. That's video number 1. You guys can kind of replay this video right here, this one segment on Glamnetic if you want. I really recommend that you look at their website and their added library for more innovation. The next store here, it's probably a more common store than most dropshippers know. It's called Cloudy. Now, I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure they are killing it on TikTok. If you want more insight on TikTok, we do have a free course that we just launched, which goes in depth on how we actually scale organically on TikTok. So that's linked below. But anyways, back to Cloudy. Their ads are a little bit less UGC based and more kind of just like informative. So like if we look at this first video right here, so as you can see, that's also very branded, and again, it's just straight prospecting. And if we reverse here and just replay it one more time with no sound, we can see that their hook starts with sleep on demand with melatonin inhalation. So they're not even introducing their brand too much. Like they have their logo there and you can see the person holding the box, but they aren't saying like we are the solution. Like they're not saying like try Cloudy right away, because why would you want to do that, right? Like what do you think your chances are of getting someone to click or shop from you if you just go right up to their feed and say, hey, buy from us, right? You don't want that. You want to have all these small little wins before you ask for the order. And so they do exactly that. They say sleep on demand with melatonin inhalation. Now that kind of sounds complex. It's like, wow, inhalation. Like, how do I even do that? Is that possible? Like this and that. So then you keep watching and you see inhaling melatonin allows for a near instant sleepiness, which is very true. I can vouch for that. It has lavender and whatever that is to promote relaxation and relieve stress. Fall asleep fast, sleep through the night, and wake up rested with Cloudy. So they kind of introduce their brand there. Then they throw in the social proof. So you kind of don't know what this company is till the middle of the ad. Then it says clearly who it is. Invest in your rest today. Try Cloudy.com. And then look at their copy. So simple. Could that be improved? Who knows? Sleep on demand with melatonin inhalation. Like very, very easy. No headline or anything here. It's just straight that. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure they are killing it. Like they're verified or something. Like on Instagram, they got like 400K followers. So that's pretty huge. More of a shorter segment here, but to break down that ad just like in a nutshell. Number 1, they have that hook where it's like, okay, if you're watching this video, you probably have sleep problems based on our targeting and whatnot. So you can improve that sleep process and fall asleep faster with our melatonin inhalation. Then they kind of introduce exactly why it's so good with the lavender and all the chemicals in there are safe, obviously, to use. And then it finally says, try Cloudy, discover it with Cloudy. There's thousands of happy customers. And you know, you'd believe that too. Sometimes a dropshipping store with like AliExpress content, like in their video, will just be like, 1,000 customers have ordered this. And it's like, no, they haven't. But with this, it's clear. Like it's obvious and it makes sense. And so if people have trouble sleeping and they click through, they see it costs $20 to buy, why not just try it, right? Why not just try? As long as they try it, or as long as they go to your website and abandon their cart possibly, or enter some kind of newsletter form, you can then market to them forever and you're paying less now for a customer potentially. So that's the bottom line with Cloudy. This video is going by faster than I possibly thought it could go by, so I might do one more brand on top of this. We'll see. But on to the last brand here. The last brand here is also kind of in that personal care kind of niche, and it's called the Smile Direct Club. And if we jump into their ad library right away, one thing I love about them again is that they're using UGC to their advantage. They have this whole before and after thing I'm gonna show you. So this is kind of like their headline. This is kind of like their thumbnail, if you will. Get a straight smile from home with a doctor-directed treatment plan. Impression kit for $40 with free rebate. Shop now, cool. And then here comes the video. That's almost like a YouTube like pre-roll ad, if you ask me. Like, it's very quick, it's to the point. You don't have much time to capture people's attention. People know that, especially if it's about cleaning their teeth. Like, who are you to judge and say clean your teeth with this and that, right? That's usually a dentist's job. But in this case, they do a great job of getting that across super fast. They show before, they show an after, and they're basically just saying, like, in context, if you want white teeth for an affordable price, white healthy teeth, try us out. They're saying that there's a rebate, some kind of thing like that. You can order an impression kit to see if it works for you. That's a whole different video, right? How they actually package their products and like bundle it, I guess, to start for a new customer. But like, this is how they're getting their customers into their funnel most likely. Is there another video we can see? Here's a girl. Literally the exact same thing, exact same format, but instead of using a male, it's a female. So just to dumb that down if you didn't figure it out, they're most likely testing female versus male, with the female obviously being in the female ads, etc., vice versa. I'm not sure if I'm going in depth here. Like, am I covering enough? I'm not too sure. Like, I feel like that last company, like Smile Direct Club, was like too it was too quick and fast to go in depth on. Like, again, like we can break it down and say how they have that before and after, and like, basically that's all people like to see usually, like I said, is people's faces, and there's a huge change in that. They're going to be enticed to learn more because most people are self-conscious about their teeth. I've personally used some stuff like the Crest white strips and whatnot, so it makes complete sense. Let's try finding one more company. Remembering that I was going through Droppoint the other day, which is just another one of those many product research tools. I was on Droppoint and I found this one brand right here. Their page name is called Neon Beach Worldwide, and they're just one of the many people that sell these like LED custom stuff. That galaxy light, I'm pretty sure they had somewhere. I know it was right here, and so I kind of want to just go through that super quick because I actually like this product a lot. So if we watch right here, this has 318K views since January 3rd, not too bad. Pretty straightforward. They just say, tired of your empty walls, you'll love this dream galaxy projector, etc. And right away, again, that's what I talk about, and this is what I live for with the whole native ad vibe. Nowhere in there do you see 50% off, flash sale, OMG, I need this, blah, 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 buy now, please, please, please. None of that stuff. Is just a video of their product being used and then some simple copy saying, tired of your boring empty walls. You know, say you live alone, you just got your first place, your house is pretty empty, it's pretty boring. This galaxy light can bring your room and bring your home to life. And that's exactly what they do in a very native way. You know, there's no selling involved. Whether you want it or you don't, it's a super cool product, so you probably do want it. Like, that's all it really is. Again, some UGC, again, there's no cool, funky music going on or anything like that. It's just a video of a dude on his phone talking about what he got and why it's awesome. You know, and these are the kind of ads that convert these days. And so to put this into context for you, let's wrap this up here. Let's turn off the screen recording. How does this tie in for you as a dropshipper? Say you are a dropshipper and you sell watches, or you sell pet stuff, or you sell some kind of home decor stuff. How does this tie in for you? Well, the bottom lines here are, number one, keep the ads native. You know, don't come right at your viewer and ask them to buy or click or whatever. Provide value, show them how cool their product may be in every way you can. Again, it's kind of hard in some niches, but if you sell, for example, the best way I can put this is like pets. Say you sell pet stuff, instead of saying, oh, this dog toy will help your dog's teeth get sharper and this and that. Instead, just show a demo of someone, like record like a phone, like get your phone and record a video of like the dog chasing the thing, and then maybe talk about the benefits. Like, hook them first with how it works and its value, and then go in for the offer and all these cool things. You know what I mean? Of course, UGC is also very huge. So if you're in the beauty niche and you don't have ambassadors or influencers, you know, recording about your stuff and putting it not only on their social media, but for you to use in your ads, you're really missing out. It's a huge, big deal. And as tired as I may sound right now, I really mean that. You need to have this kind of social proof on there. People like seeing faces. Keep that in mind as you go about your Q1 and Q2 this year. That wraps it up for this video. Hopefully the screen recording goes through. because right now my computer's having a little bit of issues. But aside from that, guys, I hope this video brought you tons of value. If it did, make sure to drop a thumbs up. And one last thing, if you are an entrepreneur of any sort, say you're in e-commerce and you want to be around a community of people, just like Anthony and I that do e-commerce full time and just want to talk and mastermind, hop on my Discord server. It's linked below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.